Welcome to Freedonia Knowledge Center. The Knowledge Center is a powerful research platform with many valuable functions and capabilities. Let's walk through the features the Knowledge Center has to offer so you can experience the true value of this service. The home page is your one-stop dashboard with a variety of tools at your fingertips. This page displays your enterprise's specific Knowledge Center subscription as well as your own branding. The most powerful tool you have access to is our search engine, and there are several ways you can use this tool to quickly and efficiently find the research you are looking for. Use the Popular Searches section to do an instant search on the terms that are most frequently used when conducting searches. If you or any of your peers have saved and/or shared a pinned search, those will appear here, and you can click on them to search. If you prefer to browse for research reports, simply select an industry and subtopic under the List Reports by category tree. The quick search box allows you to perform simple or more complex keyword searches. There's also an advanced option available to help narrow your results. To the very right of the page is the Communications panel. This panel is customized to best fit your organization's needs. At the top of the Communications panel are tabs that lead to helpful modules. Depending on your specific account, you can leave notes for other colleagues to view, see what the latest publications are, and find contact information for your account manager. Let's give the search engine a try. Our search engine returns a ranked list of research reports that are part of your subscription. The results are listed by relevance by default, but you can sort by title and date. Toggle between All Reports and My Reports to see a complete list of the reports in our database outside of your subscription that fit your search terms. Results may be filtered by the advanced search options on the left menu, which includes an option to search by data content if you only want to search for data content. If you find that the search query is suitable, and you would like to save it for future use, use the Save This Search feature to save a copy of your search criteria to your home page and share information with others via our platform or automatic email alerts. Back to the search results, there are a couple of actions you can take to peek inside a report without having to download the entire document to your computer. Use the eye icon beside each section to pull up a quick preview that allows you to see your keywords and context. Clicking on a paragraph will take you directly to that section within the report. Click on the checkboxes next to each section and select Save Selection in the menu that appears to the right to add it to the Clippings panel, where you can create a custom report from any whole sections, chapters, and data figures that you choose. You can also download the entire section to several formats, as you can see here. Or you can extract just the data tables to Excel, or all figures to PowerPoint. Let's take a closer look at this section. The section we have selected has been separated into its chapters, and each chapter into overviews, summaries, and accompanying data content. Each of these can be saved into your Clippings panel. Click on the ellipsis icon next to your selected content to copy to Clippings, download, or add a note that you can save and share with other users. On the right menu, you have the option to copy the entire section to your Clippings panel, translate the document to a new language using a machine translator, download the entire chapter to the format of your choosing, or compare the chapter with that of another report in a convenient split-screen view. With the Compare function, you can choose to view the selected content side by side with content from the same report or from another report.